Welcome to 6026 Pearson Lane Northwest, where elegance meets everyday comfort in the heart of Cleveland, Tennessee. From the moment you pull into the driveway, this home with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms invites you in with timeless curb appeal, clean lines, and the charm of a well-kept community. Step inside and be greeted by a large, flexible space at the front of the home, fit for a formal dining area, an extra lounge, a play zone, or your dream office. From there, you flow directly into the heart of the home, this stunning open kitchen. Shaker-style cabinets with crown molding, a deep stainless steel sink, Whirlpool stainless steel appliances, a large walk-in pantry, and a center island, all with granite countertops. Just beyond the kitchen, you'll find the main living area with a gas fireplace, and your TV screen will find its place on or above the custom-built mantle. Simple and elegant. Upstairs, the comfort continues. A spacious loft area offers room for a second living space, game room, or remote work zone. 3 large bedrooms along with the primary suite provide privacy for family or guests. The primary bedroom's ensuite comes with a walk-in closet, dual vanities, and a glass-enclosed walk-in shower. Step outside and breathe. The backyard is fully fenced with durable white vinyl fencing, giving you privacy, safety, and room to relax. Whether you're grilling, gardening, or just enjoying the evening air, this yard is ready. All of this is tucked in the quiet Quail Ridge subdivision, just minutes from I-75 and a short drive to downtown Chattanooga. You're close to schools, parks, shopping, and dining, but far enough to enjoy peace and quiet at home. .6026 Pearson Lane Northwest isn't just a place to live, it's a place to thrive. Contact your favorite realtor to schedule your private showing today.